Hey, it's Tyler. One of the most common troubleshooting calls we get is your main burner won't relight. Nine times out of 10, it's an easy fix. All you gotta do is reset your flame safeguard system on your main burner. How we do that is, you grab a coin or a screwdriver, I happen to have a screwdriver, insert into the black slot counterclockwise, and it allows you to open the panel. Here you've got your afterburner PCI panel. Here's your main burner PCI panel. In other words, your main burner flame safeguard system. You've got your black reset button. If you push that in and it engages and sticks in, go back up to the front of your machine and retry pushing your main burner. If that doesn't work, we'll have to go to plan B. You can go online and check out our next troubleshooting step, or you can give us a call. We're here 24/7.